Teka. Ayaw niya mag, ano. Hello! Okay. Kami munang tatlo. Nauna na sila. Ito get up namin.
Ano yung vlog?
Day 1 on the way to Prague.
Sa mga
Friends lang. Hi, friends.
Hi, friends. Okay, hi, friends.
Ganun lang. Ay, oh. Ito si Xiao. Ay, hindi. Nakasama ka na dun sa friends ko na vlog. Oo nga pala. Init. O, sige, mamaya naman. Ano na, we decide na kung sino. So,
game na.
Just for context, there's 3 hearts and 3 stars. Obviously, yung 3 hearts, yung magkaka-roommates, and then the 3 stars are magkaka-roommates.
Same symbols, guys.
Akala ko tatlong kwarto. No,
dalawa.
dalawang triple room.
Triple room.
Yes. So, game ka na ba?
Game na. Game na ako.
Sabay-sabay natin i-open na.
Oo.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Makahawak mo talaga ako. Mag-trip na ako. Okay.
Start! Alam mo, magkaka-roommate tayo.
Magsipati, please.
Oh, yun, Mara.
Magka-roommate ko. Game na. Okay.
Ay, sorry. Star!
Totoo ba? Ano, true ba? Pingless babe. Pingless babe.
Kami talaga yung nagka-ride to kotse, diba?
Yeah.
Nakakatawa rin. Kasi ano sinabi niya star, sabi namin, totoo ba? Yun nga eh. Pagpakita niyo yung reaction sa video.
Oh my God, ko.
Tenerife! Star!
Ay, Tenerife!
At ang heart. Okay. Grabe kayo! May siya shampoo. Tapos may shampoo. May ano. Sila na puso. Heart team. Heart team! Nandito, baka nadala niya. 302.
Guys, huwag kayo magpanik.
Okay, Mac, nakuha mo ba yung tubig niya na nandito? Galaw. Ay, wag. Single yan. Double. Single, double. Double D. Ano pa? Wait lang, wala. Ito, nahihiya siya, oh. Sinong kinakahiya mo? Kayo. Tulog kayo kanina. Hindi ako tulog. 1 hour, ano pala, advance yung Prague. Akala ko 2 hours pa kami. 11 dadating. 11:10.
ASMR. ASMR? Hindi uulan, guys. Makulimlim lang. Pero aaraw siya. Guys.
Ano, what's up? Pasahan daw. Saan yan? Mike.
ASMR. Mic check. Nandito yung mic pero yung camera ang layo-layo. For today's video. Oh my God. What can you say?
I can say the alphabet. I can say the numbers. I can say...
Say. You say what you can say.
You say... Ni Patty? Okay. So, yung maneho nila nasa left side. Parang Pinas or US. Nice one. Yeah, hey! We're here. Yan pala yun. Dito na as. We're here. Thank you. Okay, let's go down. Bye! Bye, guys. Oh my God. Bakla talaga.
Kuha ka ng banana. Magbabanana ako mamaya.
Wait. Kumuha ka ng marami para sa... The banana is so good. Anong masasabi mo dito sa hotel natin?
It's very grand. Oh, bars. It's very international.
Yep. Present. Thanks. Oo nga daw. Pagbigyan mo na siya, girl. Yes,
Ano
yes.
to? Kuha na to.
Kanya, ano yan? Meron kayo niya?
Baka one per room.
Nakita ko
One
sa
per
inyo,
group.
meron kayong ganyan.
O, di buksan na natin. Hindi, walang ganito.
Wala.
Wala kami ganito. Ito lang yung binigay sa atin.
Okay, you know the
You're free to stay for a little bit. Pwede ba daw tumaki si Pati sa kwarto? No,
mag-iwan siya ng ano.
Tinagal ko lang yung kubeta niyo.
pwede Pati.
Fine, I'll ask kasi kailangan ko lang.
Oh yeah, magme-makeup na pala ako, guys.
Wait, Pati mo ba?
Oo nga pa. Meron kang ano, salamin. Salamin.
May bote kayo? May MC. Ay, nag-upuan yun na.
Ba't ba kailangan mo lagi sumagot?
Tinailan na na eh.
Hindi mo. Guys, we're friends.
Kumalma kayo, guys. First day pa lang. Kakalapag na pa lang.
Kaya nga, nag-aaway tayo. Ayoko nito. Bad energy.
Makeup muna. Bye. Ano nakuha natin for free?
We got alcohol
Prosecco
kasi
siya.
mukha
Okay.
tayong alcoholic. And mukha daw tayong
Chocolates.
ladybugs.
Can I see?
Ay, it's Leonidas!
Ay, ang cute. Guys, look.
Compliments to
They're very nice.
Hindi katulad ng wine na yun na 11.50 pa.
Ano to? 38%. Thank you. Frag vlog! Hindi maintindihan ni Patty.
Frag
vlog!
Day number 1.
Frag!
We just arrived at our hotel and it's like, so chill.
Cheers!
Maski
Ano?
sa amin.
Oo nga, parang sarap ng inyo. Try nyo muna to.
Sige. Taste test. Pero,
Mas masarap inyo, I
I
think.
feel,
You feel?
I know.
Halo mo nga. Good? Hindi mo kasi hinalo ilalim.
Ay, shit. Masarap, Pati. Hindi nga, trip.
Masarap. Okay.
Okay yung timpla niya ng sugar niya.
Dapat nilagyan mo pa ng sugar.
Actually, tama naman lipstick ko.
Frag free!
Wala na naman lipstick.
Hindi.
Vlog Frag free!
Parang nasa salt, ano pa yun? Salt City pa yun?
Salt Lake City?
Hindi, mayroon silang popular siya sa, popular yung,
Kaya mo yan.
yung place, yung town for salt. Place na yun. Okay. Yeah.
Hi! Hi! Nandito kami sa Prague Castle. Sobrang init. Yan. Pero mahangin naman. Nakapila kami ngayon para pumasok sa church. Ito, ang ganda niya, no? See? Prague Castle yun. Pero di namin alam yung
Prague Castle Grounds.
Prague Castle Grounds. Okay. Ang hirap mag-vlog. Okay. This is Usman, guys. Hi! Okay.
Yeah, it's just opening like this.
Okay.
But it is strong. So you should drink at once.
Okay.
Okay.
The rule is like this.
Okay, let's all open it together. Okay, ito, it's called Underberg. It's like Copaberg. It's 44% alcohol.
So, hindi siya shot, ha?
This is shot.
But he said to sip it, not to take it all.
So this is one to drink after you eat.
Yeah, like it's usually people is drinking after like making a clean stomach inside after food.
Oh my god, stop.
It is strong. It's like 45% of alcohol. 45. It's like more than vodka.
No, strawberry. Shall we left the room?
AFK.
AFK siya eh.
Congrats, Patty.
Tinatay yung ilaw, guys. Sarap yan, Pati. Hi! Nastabi! Nastabi! Ano, okay, diba? That was really good. Right? Apple talaga the best.
Walking with you on the side. Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh, shucks, sa buhay pag-ibig na. Totoo ba ang pinagama? This boy, it feels so good.
Hi guys. Ang lupit nito kasi ayun o. Kita nyo ba yan? Na-adjust. Video. Hi guys! Yes, from you! Ako pala si Bashen. Where are we going? Wrong way. Sino tayo?
Swimming pool.
So, doon tayo kukuha ng drink. Diyan kayo nag-chill?
Hindi.
Oh. Okay. Ang sarap nga no, slush.
There's a bar.
Tugs. Oh, shit. I think this is more like for the adults. Nasaan? Nasaan sila?
Ayaw, malalagay na. Lagay ko lang yan.
Okay. Guys, ang ingay niya. Sakit na ng tenga ko. Naririndi na ako. Guys, we're so loud. Nakakahiya na. Charing.
Pek mo.
Okay, guys, nakita niyo na. Tita Des, shout out sa'yo yung kailan niyo siya na kaibigan. Shout out kay Tita Des na makikita yung Clara! Guys, cheers naman tayo. Video. Last Rabi. Last Rabi! Ay, Tita Abot. Aray, ang tulis tong kukumok to.
Dear vlog.
Dear vlog number 2.
Virgin to, by the way.
Yeah, this is virgin mojito na strawberry. Virgin to, by the way. Ano sa'yo?
Yung drink lang.
Virgin colada? Dalawa?
Virgin to.
Okay. Ito na po, ito na po. Ragblad. Kita ba?
Oh my God, wait. Akala ko stop siya.
Yes po. Oh, wow. Ang ganda.
Oh my gosh, it's giving me thrones.
It's giving Harry Potter. Saan pumupunta si Patty?
trying food and fry.
Ang bango niya. Pero with veggies,
It smells good.
smells good.
And it's with veggies. I'm your translator. So go.
Okay. May celery.
There's celery. And the consensus is my mushroom. It's just okay. That's tough.
Wala. Napaka-medieval niya na walang mga... Okay, okay. Lagyan natin ng pepper. Hindi pa sila... Ang maraming pepper. Maraming pepper. Maraming. Ganito tawag ko.
Ayun!
Ayun. TikTok hack yun eh. TikTok hack. Amazing, right? Amazing.
Oh, machalina. Eh, parang gusto ko i-shake.
Pwede rin. Walang lasa pa rin.
May lasa talaga.
Pati, paano mag-shake?
This is how you season.
This is how you season your soup. Gawa mo to, Jai?
Siyempre yung mga bakers ko.
Ito naman,
Ito yung
mga condiments and fruits.
mga fruits na.
Oh, wow! I want this.
Ito na lang dalawa para kaya
Oh, okay. Check na natin yung nandun. Yun yung pinaka-best part ng breakfast, syempre, guys. Okay, syempre, mag-multitasking tayo. Oh, sorry, go ahead.
Wala bang mas malaking plan? We're so skinny.
Cucumber. Oh, hummus? It's a different hummus. Ewan ko. Okay, wait. Can you turn, the bottom? Oh, fuck, it is 38%. Okay, Jay.
Traditional.
Okay, wait. Hold this.
Uy, tradition daw na mag-shot sa umaga. Oo ba? Oo, come on. Nandito naman tayo eh.
Okay, G, guys.
Hindi kailangan. Wait lang guys. It doesn't smell that bad. Okay. Okay, cheers. Good morning.
Good morning, 38%.
Okay.
Hi, vlog!
Hi!
Almost at the end of our tour.
Yung cute mo. Baligtad Oh, pagod na siya. Baliktad mo. Baliktad mo siya.
We're almost at the end of our tour.
Ay, ang ganda siya. Look. Ang ganda.
Legitimate na yan?
Sabi ko na nga pa, may gagawin kayo.
Ay, ako.
Pati.
Kaya ako ng surprise.
Bakit?
Camera.
Okay, okay.
Kaya ako ng surprise.
Wala lang. Ito lang. Wala. Congrats.
Congrats. We're proud of you.
Papalik. Mamaya ako na
Pakibasa po.
Wag na, hayaan mo na siyang magbasa.
Yeah. Patty, nice one. Congrats. LP. Patty. Tangina mo, Eran. Congrats on your graduation. Welcome to the STEM world. Let me know if you need a hand with job hunting. I wish you all the best in your ear and no
Air.
job. Love you lots. Also, congrats on graduating. GG. Whoop.
Yan.
Bakit ganda yung sulat?
Gagraduate ka.
Getting through university. Joke. But seriously, well done, Patty. Alam ko na pinaghirapan mo to lahat for your future. Stay focused and you can achieve anything. Happy graduation. You did it. Let's celebrate, Jaya. Happy birthday. Sino to?
Si Ray. Sinabi ko lang sa kanya, can you write?
Ay, Patty, congratulations. You are finally graduating. Pwede mo na bilhin yung ROG panel?
Sino yan? Sino ba yan?
Ikaw.
Ay, ako ba yan?
Para makalaro. Na tayo. Hahaha. Love ya. Alam kong
Para?
makukuha ka ng magandang job at gusto mo. I'm proud of your Char. Congrats, finally graduate ka na. Uwi na. Walwal na tayo, ha? Big girl ka na. Ate Patty, slay the boots. Ano to?
Slay the boots house down.
Hindi ko alam yun. Anong slang yun?
Hindi ko rin alam.
She's
Gen Z. Oh my God.
Search mo na
role
lang.
model. Congrats and best of luck on your journey. Lots of love. Thanks, Troy. Congratulations, Patty. Good job. Well done. Short. Okay. Clara. Congratulations, yay, Justin. Congrats. Graduate ka na. Sana manahimik ka na. Keta. Ang ina mo, Joko. Thanks, guys. Don't worry.
Congrats.
I think okay naman ako in
Gagraduate
terms
po
of
siya.
career. Pero yeah.
Alright.
Connection kasi, ayan, of course.
Alam mo, nakakatawa binidyo mo
Close
siya nakapanty
natin.
lang.
Nakapanti ka. Hindi.
Oh,
I-close natin.
Oh, sige, game.
Day 4, pero uuwi na.
Yan.
Frog vlog 4. Ay, fuck. Wait lang.
Bakit mo binuksan? Okay.
Bye.
Bye, vlog.
Bye, Frog vlog.
This is our final and last day. It's not really a full day because we're going straight to the airport. Namsin.
Kaya nga, group picture ang usapan.
9:13 na.
Yeah, min.
Guys,
Sabi namin 9 o'clock, min.
Kasi alis na tayo. Okay.
Bye, Frog
Bye,
Bye.
Frog Vlog. Thank you for joining us. Until next time, bye.